After a couple days of summer weather, it's back to fall conditions. Temperatures hovering around 70 as of right now, upper 60s elsewhere across the state line. This is a good 10 to 15 degrees colder than 24 hours ago and a lot more like what we would typically picture for the fall season, all thanks to yesterday's cold front dropping temperatures down. The result tonight, though, is some brisk conditions. Wasn't as brisk last night, but will be about 10 degrees cooler tonight. 48 degrees under a mainly clear sky. So really feeling like fall during those overnight hours. May need a jacket by the time you wake up in the morning and head out the door. We avoid, though, any kind of frosty situations. You can see off to our north, though, that's on the way. Frost advisories across a lot of northern Wisconsin, and then a killing freeze likely in sections of Michigan and far northern Wisconsin. We likely won't see that anytime soon. However, there is a possibility of some patchy frost this weekend. Now, typically, we don't have to worry about the frost in Rockford until about the middle of October. Since 2000, we've seen that pop up around October 16th, that first fall frost. However, there's a possibility of patchy frost outside of Rockford as of this weekend. So tomorrow night and Saturday night is when we could see a few areas of frost. As you look at the overnight low forecast for Friday night, you can see Rockford staying in the low 40s, still plenty chilly and low 40s across a lot of the rest of the state line, but there are a couple areas like Rochelle and Freeport. You're getting down into the 30s, and remember, that's about where we measure the air temperature, a couple feet off the ground. The air continues to cool all the way down to the ground, so there's a possibility we have temperatures right around 32, right at that ground level, which is enough to cause some patchy frost that could harm your garden. Likely not going to be a killing frost, however, but something to keep an eye on going into this weekend. Now, during the daytime hours, definitely feeling like fall tomorrow. 65 the high temperature under a mainly sunny sky. A bit of a haze in the sky because of the wildfire smoke. Northeast winds continue to stay a little breezy out of the northeast at about 15 miles per hour. And same story going into the weekend. 67 and sunshine for Saturday. Sunday may get back up to 70 degrees with that sunny weather continuing. Lots of dry conditions moving forward after all of the rain last week, and positive developments from that. The update from the U.S. Drought Monitor, its weekly update today, showing just a sliver of the state line considered abnormally dry. It was 2 weeks ago we had much of our area under moderate drought conditions, but 6 inches of rainfall helped to get rid of all of that for the most part. However, as we move forward here, we'll have to keep an eye on these dry areas and could see them expand again because we could go 2 weeks without rainfall. Last time we had rain was last Saturday, so September 13th was Sunday. We could go till the 27th, about 2 weeks without rain. So we'll have to monitor for those very dry conditions moving forward. You can see that reflected in the 7-day forecast. Lots of sunshine going through the weekend and into early next week. Temperatures warming up, by the way, as we head into the official first day of fall, back into the 80s by next week, but no rain in the forecast anytime soon in your most accurate 10-day forecast. That does have a hint of rain coming, possibly next Sunday. Chance for scattered showers. James and Kristen.
All right, Alex, thanks.
The Chicago White Sox